Now, many of you will know that tomorrow NEO will be hosting the 2024 NEO Innovation Day, which, ladies and gents, it will be packed with quite a number of technologies, new products that NEO will be showing to us. I mean, just a couple of minutes ago, we saw a sneak peek of the second generation of the NEO phone, showing a lady holding a NEO phone, and immediately she enters the car. Whatever the video call she was on, it got transferred to the neo screen or horizontal main screen, which is something that was interesting to see. This is a sneak of what we could see tomorrow during the innovation day. We look forward, and as I've been saying, this is a very important event for both NEO and its investors, because we get to see what NEO is doing with their R&D's money. So we always look forward to see this. Last year, you know that NEO spoke about the chip, which I think it was a LiDAR sensor chip, main controlling chip. We saw it being revealed on this day, which is something that was amazing to see. We saw the NEO phone, which are some of the things that really stood up that day. So tomorrow we are yet going to see the second generation phone. In terms of chips, we don't know if we'll see a new chip, but we can expect to our minds to be blown by tomorrow's event. That is what NEO, or that is what the article that was talking about the Innovation Day hinted when they were talking about the event happening tomorrow. So after tomorrow, even the sentiment of those that are doubtful about NEO should be revived after that event, as NEO is going to be showing us their latest technology. Otherwise, over and above that, what we also saw today is, of course, Onvo on a place like a desert where it was drifting. So, I mean, as seen on the screen, you'll notice that it appears that Onvo L60 will also be coming with a sports handling feature, which, of course, will offer convenience to those who have sports need. This is something that we saw, because as seen on the screen, you notice that the Onvo L60 car really showed its good capabilities of drifting, which is I think, to those who are all love sports cars, should really like that this car is gonna come with this feature, which obviously you would have to pay for it, but if you are a sports car person, then this feature will come hand in hand, and it will make sense for you to definitely add it when you buy your Onvo L60. Onvo, it's another car that we are expecting to see the launch, or the second launch, end of September, as per the video we did yesterday. And this is one of the biggest catalysts for New York, because with this model they will be selling officially a car that can be afforded by the mass market, which is something that is pretty exciting. So I'm happy also about this project. I don't think NEO will be touching anything tomorrow about the Onvo L60, but rather more about the car we are going to see on the second launch, which is supposed to come late in September. But yesterday we got to see another sneak peeks of the interior of the Onvo L60. It looks like they were doing some tests on the car, or checking some stuff on the car, where the person was connected to the horizontal screen, which showed us that red interior that we like so much about this car. So I'm happy, and I still look forward to that second launch, which will open deliveries in a week's time after the launch, which that is what we want to see from NEO. So I'm happy. I look forward to what we can see, or to what we are going to see now in the second half. There's just so much going to happen this second half, and with China also giving an extra support to EV makers like NEO by giving, or by issuing subsidies. This will benefit your car companies like NEO, Xpeng, Lioro, and the others, which is something that, like I said yesterday, it is going to be amazing. So delivery wise, the NEO, the main brand, is going to continue doing well. Next week on Thursday, we're going to see the figures really showing the demand that NEO is having, reflecting once again that NEO is continuously receiving the orders from the consumers, or from the Chinese consumers, which is something that is so amazing, or it will be amazing to see yet another over 20,000 deliveries. I mean, more deliveries will result into more revenues that NEO generates, and more revenues will help or put NEO to a better financial position, which is something that we want to see. I mean, this quarter we could easily see NEO selling over 60,000 vehicles because they are starting this quarter very well, and I think the demand is going to continue based on the incentives catalyst that the NEO is offering, together with the incentive subsidies that the Chinese government is offering to those that are buying EV cars. We are going to continue seeing strong demand, which for that reason I believe that total deliveries for NEO in Q3 should surpass over 60,000, which is something that will be so amazing to see NEO achieving that. Otherwise, with all that, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the likes button, comment and subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. NEO, it is a volatile stock, and therefore for you not to panic sell, you need to do some due diligence, so that when you see sharp falls, sharp drops, you use those sharp falls, sharp drops as opportunities to scoop more shares. I know we want the stock price to head back to double digits, which I suppose we are going to see as time goes, but for now I think what they need to do is to make sure that they continue delivering good sales on a month to month, which will result in their financials improving. Otherwise, do your own DD, and God bless you all.